This is our 11th Aseproce Workshop. More than 50 schools and 15 providers and people from all over the world. They're meeting today here in Madrid in this rainy day of November. This is the best way to talk to each other face to face, to interact, and it's the best way to grow for the schools, the business in our country.
Hi, I'm Pedro from AE Idiomas. I'm here at the Aseproce Workshop. I want to thank everyone that has made this possible. It's been an amazing day, very exciting meetings with many boarding schools from the UK and many language schools from all over the world. Thank you very much, everyone. I hope to be here next year. Bye.
Hi, my name is Gabriel Canelas and I'm here at this incredible event for Aseproce, Spain, representing Berlin School of Business and Innovation, and we are super happy of being one of the official sponsors of an event that has been so well organized and so important for all Spain.